Man, this YouTube thing is fucking hard. I'm probably not supposed to say that. I'm supposed to shoot rainbows and butterflies up your ass, but truth of the matter is it's not easy, man. You look at your counter, you see 3 views, 5 views, 0 views. I mean, put up a bunch of videos and you're getting nowhere. You know, I mean, what do you do? You blame the algorithm? No, that's just a thing. It doesn't think, doesn't have a mind of its own. It's just pre-programmed to look at certain information and come to a result, and that result is that your videos don't get views, and that hurts. You know, I mean, I'm a new YouTuber. I've got a few videos, but I've only been doing this for 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. It gets disheartening. You know, sometimes it hurts. You know, you look at this thing and you're not getting anywhere, but you want to. And then to make matters worse, you're looking at things that say, you know, I made 6 videos and made $250,000. Get monetized in 10 videos, get monetized in 4 weeks. It's all bullshit. It's all bullshit. Every single word of it is bullshit. People aren't doing it that way. They're not. And if they tell you they are, then they are lying to you. Does that mean that it's not possible? No, 100% it's possible. Like anything else, like anything that's good, it's 100% possible, but it takes work. There's no quick fix. Nothing is going to happen in 6 weeks or 6 days or 6 videos. It's going to take time. That's the good news. The good news is that it's completely possible, and all it's going to take is time and work. Hard work. And if you're afraid of hard work, I don't know what to tell you. Suck it up, buttercup. This is life. Life isn't easy. And the people that tell you it is are lying to you. They have put in the work already. Now it's easy, yeah. Does there become a time when it's easy? Abso-fucking-lutely. But that time comes after the hard work. And the people that stay on top are the ones that continue to do the hard work. So if you really want this thing to happen, if you really want to become a YouTube millionaire, if you really want to make the money and not have to work a 9 to 5, then you just have to put in the work and the time. That's it. That's all it takes. It's simple and incredibly hard. Simple and incredibly hard. It's like my favorite expression. Wish in one hand, shit in the other. Tell me which one fills up first. It's the truth. Shit is real. It's tangible. Hope is not. Real work, dedication, time, tangible. Hoping you're going to be successful, not tangible. Hard work, hope. Hard work, hope. Fuck hope. Hope doesn't amount to shit. Hope isn't going to get you anywhere. Doesn't do anything for you. You can lay in bed every night and dream of a better future, but until you start working towards it, you're never going to get there. Not even a little bit. Not at all. What you have to do is catch your first fish, make your first video, get your first subscriber. Hell, just get your first viewer. And you're not going to do that until you make your first video. You have to sit there and make a video, and you know what? If it sucks, it sucks. If you don't know how to edit it, then don't edit it. Do it take after take after take until you have something that you don't have to edit. There's a trick for you. There's a hack. Just keep practicing. Keep doing until you come up with something that is good enough. And then put it out for the world to see.